Welcome to the Thingamejig. To the scribed line, ensuring you don't go past the lock.
Here's a saw that has speed as its middle name. The Versacut by Rockwell lets you change blades one-handed.
I like the interchangeable blades the most. I like that I can take and cut any type of material and just change out the saw blade in a matter of seconds.
That means you can rip through different materials lickety-split. Its 4 amps are powerful, with a speed of 3,500 RPMs, but it doesn't weigh a lot, making it the one to reach for when you are on the move.
The Versacut is much more lightweight than the circular saw. It weighs about 4 pounds. It's a lot easier to maneuver around the house.
The base plate provides a clear view of where the blade enters the work, making tricky cuts much easier to see. Changing the depth of a cut is right on the side. For around $130, the saw includes 3 blades, a vacuum adapter, and a storage bag. And precision.
I like the laser beam. I like the fact that if you draw a line and it's not very clear, you have the laser beam there to back you up, and it makes a nice smooth cut.
Versacut's laser guide helps you get the right cut every time.
Remember when power tools were actually powerful? Since 1951, WEN has equipped woodworkers with reliable tools at an affordable price. Now with our 8-inch drill press, you'll get top-of-the-line drilling power without compromising performance or price. Adjust to 5 different speeds between 620 and 3100 RPM to perfectly complement your workpiece. Watch as this WEN drill press glides through wood like a soldering iron through butter. That is beautiful. This package includes an adjustable work table that changes both angles and height. Attack wood, plastic, and metal with ease. Watch as we effortlessly drill into an inch of pure cast iron. The WEN 8-inch drill press. Remember when power tools were actually powerful? Remember WEN.